Welcome to this tutorial on how to view your videos on Facebook using the latest updates on your PC. If you're looking to access and manage the videos you've posted or shared on Facebook, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's start by opening Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface that makes it easy to navigate through your account. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice your profile photo. Click on this photo to enter your profile page. Once you're in your profile, you'll see a variety of sections like Home, Reviews, Photos, and more. The section we're interested in is called Videos. Click on the Videos tab to view all the videos you've posted or been tagged in. In the Videos section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your videos. This includes both the videos you've uploaded and those where you've been tagged by friends. You can scroll through this list to find specific videos or browse through them to see what you've shared over time. Facebook's latest updates make it easier than ever to manage your content. Whether you're looking to share a video again, download it, or simply revisit memories, this section is where you'll find everything you need. Additionally, if you're interested in watching videos you've previously viewed, you can check your watch history. To do this, go back to your profile page. Click on the three dots next to Activity Log and select Videos You've Watched. This feature helps you keep track of all the videos you've seen on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and manage your videos on Facebook. Whether you're a casual user or someone who frequently shares content, knowing how to navigate these features can enhance your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.